At number 1, we have the Avantree Roadtrip, car Bluetooth speaker and wireless FM transmitter kit. This premium 2-in-1 device is a game changer. It's a powerful Bluetooth speaker with incredible hi-fi sound quality. Or use it as an FM transmitter to stream crystal clear audio through your car's stereo with zero static interference. It's incredibly easy to use. The large knob controls volume and channels, and it even works with your voice assistant. Plus, with dual mic noise reduction, your hands-free calls will be incredibly clear, even on the highway. And it's smart too. Motion sensors automatically turn it on when you get in and off when you leave. 22 hours of playtime and superior build quality, the Avantree Roadtrip is the ultimate car audio upgrade. Highly recommended.
At number 2, we have the Nulaxy KM18 Bluetooth 5.4 car FM transmitter. A mainstay on Amazon's bestseller lists, it's earned its reputation with tens of thousands of rave reviews. The KM18 features a large, clear 1.44-inch display and a flexible gooseneck for the perfect viewing angle. With the latest Bluetooth 5.4, it offers a stable connection, plus support for TF cards and AUX input for maximum flexibility. Stay safe on the road with hands-free calling, featuring advanced noise cancellation for crystal clear conversations. And with dual USB charging ports, you and your passenger can keep all your devices powered up. Users consistently praise its minimal static and excellent sound quality, breathing new life into older vehicles. Durable, reliable, and packed with features, the Nulaxy KM18 is the ultimate upgrade for your daily commute. At number 3, we have the Anker Roav SmartCharge Bluetooth FM Transmitter. Anker's reputation for quality shines with excellent audio streaming and a stable FM signal that reduces interference. It offers a large LED display and dual USB ports with PowerIQ charging for fast device charging. Enjoy quick Bluetooth pairing and convenient hands-free calls for safer driving. Plus, thoughtful features like the companion app for locating your car and automatic reconnection. Commands a higher price, but you're paying for Anker's reliable engineering and strong customer support. A perfect premium option.
At number 4, we have the LENCENT Bluetooth FM Transmitter with wireless charging. This bestseller features a smart Bluetooth chip for a 40% more stable connection and delivers hi-fi sound with bass enhancement. It supports 3 music play modes, Bluetooth, TF cards, and USB drives, so you'll always have your tunes. Stay safe on the road with hands-free calling, featuring advanced CVC noise cancellation for crystal clear conversations. Plus, dual USB ports deliver fast charging for all your devices, making it the ultimate travel companion. The anti-static design and built-in voltage detection add a premium layer of safety and convenience. Thousands of 4.5-star reviews, it's a proven upgrade for any car. Get the LENCENT FM Transmitter now.
At number 5, we have the IMDEN Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter for car. It impresses with its QC 3.0 fast charging, getting you powered up in no time. Plus, its advanced noise suppressing microphone ensures superior, crystal clear call quality. Enjoy stable Bluetooth 5.4 streaming with minimal static for your favorite playlists. Strong sales and excellent ratings, it's a great pick for users prioritizing call clarity and fast charging.